is Omar Fisher, and this is my final project for CS50X. It's called Windrose Web. This is a continuation of my CS50 Python's final project, which was just a CLI Python application. However, with this course, I wanted to expand upon it and make a web application. So what Windrose is a ventilation airflow advisor. You give it to the windows you have at your home and your location, and it tells you which windows to open to achieve the best ventilation for your home. How it does this, first it gathers your location either by searching by city or the coordinates of your location. Then you give it your home layout windows. So north facing windows, south facing windows, whatever you have, you enter the data. Then it fetches the wind data for your location and it converts all this data into sectors. So the wind direction and the location of your windows. Then it calculates all of this and it gives you advice based on those calculations. So the core idea is converting degrees into sectors. So 0 is going to be north and 7 is going to be west. So it's going to do this calculations for both the wind direction and the direction of your windows. Then it calculates the circular distance from the windows to the wind direction. So it uses from 0 to 4, where 0 and 1 are closest to facing the wind. So those would be the best for the inlets. And 3 and 4 would be facing away from the wind, which would be best for outlets. So it'll give you the best advice for those inlets and outlets based on the circular distance. All right, this is the website for the app, windrose.up.railway.app. Let's give it a shot. All right, so this is the home page. Windrose takes you to home page. In history, you can search for your recent history. So let's search for a city. Let's say like Kissimmee. Right, you can search by city name or by coordinates if you want exact location. Let's say I have north facing, south facing, east facing, and west facing windows. And let's check the ventilation for those windows. Since there's more than one Kissimmee around the States, I'll select the first one. And here it gives me the results for Kissimmee. So wind direction is 151 degrees coming in from the southeast. Wind speeds at 8.2 kilometers an hour. And here is the advice. It tells me open the east and south facing windows to let the air in and the north and west windows for the outflow. This is Windrose.